So when I got diagnosed with PCOS, I started getting scared whether I'll be able to conceive or not. Started taking Gynoveda's Ayurvedic medicine from PCOS to pregnancy to being a mother. That really gave goosebumps to me, and in fact right now I have goosebumps myself.
When Kinjal told me that she thinks she has a PCOS problem, so we consulted a few doctors, and in her workspace, that's when she met Rachna and got introduced to Gynoveda. And against the hormonal pills that were suggested to us by a few doctors, she went ahead with the prescription which Gynoveda suggested. And I think within 2 to 3 months of completing her prescription course of Gynoveda, we got this good news of she being pregnant. The confidence which Kinjal had on Gynoveda and the way it has worked for her, we would recommend Gynoveda for every couple who are trying to conceive. It will surely work.
Started taking Gynoveda's Ayurvedic medicine. I started witnessing changes, and within 2 months of taking this medicine, I got my period. My skin started glowing. I started reducing my weight. My father doesn't believe in taking allopathy. He's always against it because he says that it does more damage to the body. I remembered him and I thought I must give a try to Gynoveda's Ayurvedic medicine. I would recommend that you should trust Gynoveda. The kind of feeling this baby has given me since the time he's arrived in my life and when I first held him in my hands, he has changed my whole world, and there is no words can describe this feeling ever.